Introducing the 3-second PowerCure system, featuring Tetric Power Fill and Tetric Power Flow. Let's take a look at each component of the system. The Bluephase PowerCure curing light features a high-intensity 3000 mW mode, and the Polyvision Curing Assistant takes light curing to a whole new level. When the Polyvision mode is activated, if the light is moved away from the optimal position, the light will vibrate and extra curing time will automatically be added. The Bluephase PowerCure light is highly functional, easy to use and backlit for optimized hygiene. Adhes Universal, with its unique Viva Pen delivery method, greatly reduces waste and virtually eliminates post-operative sensitivity. It provides an exceptional bond between the direct composite and the prepared cavity. Tetric Power Fill and Tetric Power Flow are the first 4mm filling materials designed to be cured in just 3 seconds. 3 exclusive technologies combine to ensure a complete conversion at a depth of 4mm in 3 seconds. Our patented Ivoserin photo initiator allows for a fast polymer conversion while aiding in providing a 4mm depth of cure. The patented chain transfer agent technology reduces shrinkage stress and improves marginal integrity. Essensio technology aids in a complete 4mm depth of cure while optimizing aesthetics due to its advanced opacifying effect. Both Tetric Power Fill and Tetric Power Flow are approximately 25% translucent in their pre-cured state, allowing deeper penetration of the light at the onset of the curing process. The materials become more opaque once cured, matching the translucency of the natural dentition to maximize aesthetics. The result is beautifully efficient, aesthetic, long-lasting high-strength composites. Now is the time to take a look at the 3-second PowerCure system and join us on the road to greater efficiency.